Now you have some people that like to burn real hot. On this position, I'm actually burning 95 amps. So I'm burning a little hot on in this position. Looks good. I like to always check it to make sure you don't see anything that might need to be clean. Looks like I'm doing good, so I'm gonna jump into the next one. So I'm gonna run my hot pass right over top of that previous. Run my hot pass right over top of the root pass. That way I can build it up. So, ready?